Good afternoon, everybody. Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today's video, we are going to be covering the back and the side of this lean-to, put up some 2x6s on the back and side, and that'll be our base for our 1x8 plank. I've had it open all winter. We just finished it in the fall, so I want to get this done. We can start hanging things on it. It'll really make it usable instead of just looking like a mess. It'll make it a little bit more organized. Here at Break Free Homestead, we provide new content every Friday. I do reviews, tutorials, and we're growing our homestead. If you would follow our journey, click that subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. So on the back side, it's a little bit higher and the board's gonna be longer. So we're gonna stretch the middle one up a little bit higher. It's not gonna be the same as that, just to prevent like excessive board warping. So I got my first board cut here and just measured off the top corner there. And then I kind of roughed it to find the drop of this lean-to roof. So it came out to be about 1.25 inches. So every 8 inches it's dropping 1.25 inches. So next piece we'll measure the short side and then 1.25 inches less on the left side, and that should give us a good consistent angle. When I did the back of the shed, somehow we got off track and it wasn't completely level. I think it's just the first one we started just was not good. And I was doing this here, I was just going with it, and I just said, you know, we're not gonna do that, we're gonna correct it. So straighten those out. I figure the transition here is a good space to make this sliver to straighten these things out. Hopefully we can make it not too noticeable from the inside in the front of the house or whatever. So let's do that. So the gap we're gonna fill is 88 inches. So we'll get that as a base. You could say I was a little bit off on the angle over time, so hopefully this fits in there snug. No! What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo this board, push it over a little bit because they have dried out a little bit, and we'll squeeze it right in there. Change it up. We're trying to put them at the same time. Kind of use the pressure to squeeze it in there. I think if I get a hammer, we should be able to do it. It looks much better. You can barely tell from the front. I don't even think you would be able to, but I should have fixed it when we were doing it here. I don't know if I just didn't notice till the end or what, but looks good now. Let's keep going. It's by no means perfect, but I'm happy with it. It's closed in. Even side is gonna be super easy. I'm just gonna cut them all one length. It does dip down a little bit there in the corner, but I'm gonna fill it in, so it's not really gonna matter. So should be a bunch of quick cuts. I think we should have the exact right amount of wood, but we'll see. It's almost dinner time, so let's see if we can knock this thing out real fast. No! Just broke my square. I'm cutting all these pieces the same length and just kneeled down on it. Now, I think I'll get a metal one next time for sure. Plastic, you've lasted long enough. We're going to metal. We're gonna upgrade, okay? Sure if you watched the shed siding video, but we were one short there too. I guess we're two short here because you're gonna need a little cap on the end here. So 2 boards short. I think what I'm gonna do is just throw up a couple pieces to make it look more finished until I can go run and get some more full boards. Oh, I think it's kind of messed up. Callie's never caught a chicken before. I told her if she can catch a chicken in her hands, she can get extra dessert tonight. We are all done, pretty happy with it. It's not a perfect side, but it'll definitely do. I can hang stuff in there. Yes, Bear, yes. What's going on?
Can you put softball me now?
Yeah, so we are out of here to play some softball before the sun sets, right? What do we say?
Bye-bye! Peace out!
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time on Break Free
Homestead!